we've discovered 12 remote job opportunities that are suitable for night owls, offering flexible schedules and often requiring no college degree or prior experience. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 1 on the list, Podcast Virtual Assistant. Being a podcast virtual assistant grants you backstage access to the podcasting world. Responsibilities include everything from researching topics to managing social media accounts. Companies in the podcasting industry highly value these digital wizards. For instance, job postings for this role are abundant, making it especially appealing if you're passionate about podcasts. Virtual assistants, in general, earn between $41,000 and $68,000. Annually, a respectable income without requiring a college degree or prior experience. Moreover, excelling in this role can lead to higher paying opportunities down the line, tapping into the thriving creator economy. Next on the list is an online ads assessor, where you transform your internet usage into income. This role involves refining online ads for better user experiences. Companies running online advertising, such as search engine or social media platforms, constantly seek online ads assessors to ensure ad quality aligns with their brand. With earnings ranging from $50,000 to $84,000 per year, this opportunity is lucrative for those spending considerable time online. Another intriguing option is weekend freight tracking, ideal for those willing to work weekends or nights. This role ensures timely deliveries, particularly over weekends, with opportunities to earn between $43,000 and $66,000 annually. Job openings in this field abound, making it a solid choice for entry-level positions that don't require a college degree or prior experience. Opportunities in logistics and shipping continue to flourish, making this role a promising option for those interested in facilitating the movement of goods. Next up is the corporate travel agent, a specialist in organizing intricate travel arrangements for corporate employees. Often, you'll collaborate with executives or high-level management, ensuring their travel experience is seamless. This entails arranging flights, booking hotels, coordinating ground transportation, and, if possible, enhancing their experience during their stay. Corporate travel agents typically earn between $47,000 and $73,000 annually. A respectable income for an entry-level role that doesn't necessitate a college degree or prior experience. It's worth noting that while some job postings may mention experience as a requirement, it's often more of a preference rather than a strict requirement. Therefore, it's advisable to apply regardless. Here are some job opportunities displayed on the screen for your consideration. Overall, this role earns a solid 7.5 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Moving on, we have a relatively new position that emerged in the past decade: the Influencer Relationship Coordinator. With sponsorships becoming commonplace across various channels, these coordinators play a pivotal role in facilitating collaborations between influencers and brands. Approximately 49% of consumers rely on influencer recommendations, making this form of marketing highly effective. Digital marketing, in particular, has proven to be one of the most efficient forms of marketing, with numerous success stories of individuals entering the field without a college degree or prior experience. Influencer relationship coordinators typically earn between $46,000 and $68,000 annually, offering a relatively accessible entry point into the field. This opportunity scores a commendable 9 out of 10 on the opportunity scale, with job listings available for your perusal on the screen. The following role is that of a virtual event coordinator. a position that's surged in popularity over the past 3 to 4 years due to the predominance of virtual events in the absence of in-person gatherings. With the largest virtual events in history, such as concerts attracting millions of online viewers, event hosts typically earn between $44,000 and $75,000 annually. While the job may seem straightforward, it involves ensuring the hosting platform can accommodate the expected number of attendees and coordinating logistics to ensure everyone is informed about the event details. Despite its seemingly straightforward nature, this role presents numerous opportunities as a burgeoning career path, requiring no college degree or prior experience. Hence, it earns a solid 8 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Feel free to explore the job opportunities provided on the screen. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving on, we have the Remote Executive Account Representative, marking a departure from entry-level positions. As a representative for a company's sales department, you'll manage significant accounts, often handling contracts worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. Working primarily with B2B, business-to-business companies, you'll serve as the intermediary between your company and its major clients. Remote account executives typically earn between $73,000 and $132,000 annually, with some earning well over $500,000 depending on the industry. While prior sales experience is typically required, advancement to the role of account executive is achievable within 1 to 2 years of starting a sales job. With lucrative earning potential and opportunities for career growth, this role scores an impressive 9.5 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Explore the job opportunities displayed on the screen for further insights. Next up is the role of a content specialist, a position that has gained prominence in the past 5 to 10 years. With these newer roles, it's often easier to secure them even without prior experience or a college degree. As a content specialist, you might find yourself working for a prominent brand or company, overseeing their YouTube channel, or managing their Instagram account, responsible for creating engaging content. The significance of content creation cannot be overstated. While traditional paid advertising was once the norm, companies are increasingly turning to content creation as it proves to be more effective in today's landscape. Moreover, crafting content is inherently rewarding. This role is ideally suited for individuals who spend ample time consuming specific types of content. For instance, if you're an avid YouTube or Twitter user, this role might be a perfect fit for you. Content specialists typically earn between $48,000 and $74,000 annually. Check out the opportunities provided on the screen for further exploration. Overall, this role earns an impressive opportunity score of 9.5 out of 10. Moving on, we have the Digital Marketing Coordinator position, where you essentially act as the architect of digital marketing campaigns. Your responsibilities involve strategizing, executing, and optimizing marketing efforts across various platforms. For example, if you've watched an ad on YouTube and later see the same company's advertisement on Facebook or Instagram, it's likely the work of a digital marketing coordinator. Additionally, these professionals may tailor specific emails to individuals based on their past purchase history to increase the likelihood of future purchases. Digital marketing coordinators typically earn between $47,000 and $69,000 annually. Explore the opportunities displayed on the screen for further insights. This role garners a solid opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. The next opportunity on the list is the role of a chat support associate. With an increasing number of consumers preferring chat support over traditional phone calls, companies are prioritizing this mode of customer service. In fact, Chat support has become one of the most popular ways for customers to seek assistance, with an estimated 51% indicating they would purchase from a company again if chat support is available. This preference is understandable, as communicating via chat often results in quicker responses. Chat support associates typically earn between $34,000 and $57,000 annually. While it may not be the most glamorous job, as it still falls under customer service, the absence of direct phone conversations with irate individuals can be a relief. Overall, this opportunity earns a score of 8 out of 10. Explore the opportunities provided on the screen for further details. Moving on, we have the role of a remote review writer, which involves crafting reviews for various products or services. Given that many consumers rely on review sites before making purchasing decisions, there are ample opportunities in this field. Remote review writers can earn a competitive salary, typically ranging from $25 to $35 per hour. Check out the opportunities displayed on the screen for further exploration. This opportunity receives an overall score of 7.5 out of 10. Next up is the e-commerce specialist position, which focuses on helping companies sell physical products online. The e-commerce industry is highly lucrative, with specialists often using specialized software like Klaviyo for digital and email marketing. Those with a penchant for online shopping may find this role particularly appealing. E-commerce specialists typically earn between $47,000 and $74,000 annually, making it a promising opportunity with an overall score of 8 out of 10. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.